Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and today I'm sharing a Dollar Tree haul with you guys. This is a collective haul of the 3 times I went into the Dollar Tree to get cotton balls and toothpaste, and I walked out with all of this. So I finally ended up with my cotton balls, which you guys have seen before, and plenty of toothpaste. There's actually a few tubes already in use. So I was at Walmart and we needed some toothpaste. I went down that aisle and I just can't bring myself to pay the price that they want. Now, some of the tubes are smaller from the Dollar Tree, but I just like to have all different kinds and brands and flavors, and then that way there's no bickering. Everyone has their own tube. That's my toothpaste rant for the day. So check that off my mental to-do list. Another thing I've been really looking for that I always use from the Dollar Tree are these little guys. So these are moisture eliminators, and I like to replace these every couple of months under all of the sinks in my house, and it just fills up. Oh my goodness, I should have had one here to show you guys. It fills up with moisture, it keeps damp areas dry. It's wonderful. I highly recommend them, and I try to keep a stock of them on hand. Something that is my second favorite item ever from Dollar Tree is their glass cleaner. It's in an aerosol can. I love it. You get a lot, and I just will never go to anything else now that I've used it, so I really like it. I picked up 6 cans. I left 3 on the shelf. And then something new in my beauty aisle, while I was looking at the toothpaste, I saw this. It's a makeup remover, and I'm not really familiar with the brand, but I do take my makeup off in the evening, so I thought I would give it a try. If you guys have tried it, let me know how it did down below in the comments, and if I need to go get more. So something else that I went in for was one of their electronic toothbrushes. I have a youngest child who needs encouraged to brush his teeth, and this helps because it's fun. So I pay a whole $1 every couple of weeks and I get him a new one. And then something I love to just have on hand because I have kids and things happen, things break, is the Superglue. Now I believe you normally get 2 of the full-size little tubes, but right now they've got it as a bonus, so you actually get 3. So I threw one of these in my cart just to have on hand. All right, now let's move on to some health and beauty. Another thing I really like to pick up from the Dollar Tree are the Bolero face wipes when you can find them. So these are great if you have sensitive skin, and I do. So they have it in 2 scents. I'm sure there's probably another scent out there, but at my store they had this one, which is coconut and sea salt, and then the French lavender and citrus. I actually really like the scent of this one. So I picked up like 8 total, I believe. My daughter likes to use them too. All right, something that I did last year was I picked this little potion bottle up from Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance. I think this was actually part of their Halloween decor, and I got it for 50 cents. So what I do is I go and pick up the candy to fill it from the Dollar Tree. And I think these are super, super cute. These are the candy hearts. They do come in little packs, so you have to open up all the little packs. But if you're doing any kind of Valentine's decor, they're just little hearts, and I think they're really, really cute. So I needed some more to fill up that jar. Now, as far as gift giving for Valentine's Day, I think they put out some really cute bags. This one I just picked up to have on hand for like a birthday. It's a real pretty sort of rose gold and pink marble. I really like that. And they have these out as sort of like a crafting item. They're just little plastic jars, and I love to have things like this on hand because a gift card fits in these perfectly. So I picked a few up to put in my birthday stash. I think this is great for teenagers. You can put all kinds of gift cards in here, from Taco Bell to In-N-Out to Starbucks, some gum or something, and tie it up. And I did pick up some of the Gingham Ribbon in red and white, and I'm thinking I might use this around summertime. So I'm always trying to think ahead with Dollar Tree, because you know, you can get to a project or have an idea and it's no longer in stores. And along those lines, I picked up some of the little Pedestal candle holders. Now, these are great for DIYs. You can also just paint them pretty much any color. My daughter really likes the gold. So what they have is they have this shape, and they have it in silver and in gold. And then they have a slimmer version, but it's the same height, in silver and in gold. So I picked them up just in case I get an idea. Obviously, you could turn them upside down and glue them together. There's all kinds of ideas for these. So something, if you just saw my last DIY I posted, I picked up one of the flower buckets that they're putting out for spring. I think this is the 3rd year that they've put these out. This year, they're the most flimsy. They're really easily squished and they'll change shape on you, so be careful. But they have 2 shapes. They have the taller one that I used in my DIY for my topiary, which I love, and then this one. And for the DIY, I just spray painted it all black, but this definitely has that farmhouse look if you like the galvanized. And the words are on both sides. Something I picked up for my fairy garden, and I just do a small one because I don't know if you guys are new to the channel. Hi, welcome, my name is Val. I love to garden. I have a ton of real succulents and they love where I live in California. So I do a little sort of fairy garden, but the majority of my garden is succulents. But I saw this and it brought back all kinds of strawberry shortcake dreams from my childhood. I thought it was so cute. I have a lot of the Dollar Tree fairy items, so I don't need much more, so I just picked up one, but they have some cute houses. And these I had to pick up because they have a little bunny, and this is a little lamb and then a little bird, perfect for spring. And I saw on dollartree.com, and I'm not sure about the details, but I'm just gonna share with you guys, they had a camper. They had a silver camper, and if I can find a picture of it to put in, I will, maybe towards the end of the video. But I haven't seen it in my store, but I know a lot of you will love it, so I thought I would just share that. Okay, I have a few more decor items, but let me show you the new things I found in the toy aisle, because I put together gifty boxes for little people in my life, and I'm always on the lookout for things that they'll enjoy, and they'll get a whole big box full of them on their birthday and think, wow, my aunt is the best. So this week I was able to find these really cute little, definitely Tony Hawk knockoffs of the fingerboards, and you get 2 of the actual boards. You get some extra wheels and you get a little tiny screwdriver. And I think this looks like you would pick it up at Target for maybe $5. So I picked up a few of those for birthday boxes. And when my boys were smaller, they loved Erector sets because it's like working with real materials and tools. And I saw this on an end cap, so I picked up a couple. They have 3 versions. This one is the car. They also have a helicopter and a bulldozer, but I thought the car was really, really cool. So let's see what age, 8 and up. So that's perfect. And then this, my cashier stopped me and she goes, what is that? Where'd you get it? And I just found it sitting in the toy aisle. It's by Rose Art and it's called Washable Sidewalk Chalk Paint. and it's 2 big cans. At my store, they only had the green and the yellow, but it does come with a stick to stir and then 2 foam brushes. So I picked up a couple of those as well. Sorry for the lighting. It's just the best time in the day for me. I'm about to go pick up the kids from school, so the house is quiet. So I haven't fully finished decorating my living room yet for Valentine's Day. You guys are probably pretty familiar that I've decorated my hutch if you've watched my hauls. And I think these are just cute for decor. These are their little metal tins, and this one has all kinds of little white scroll work on it. This is the larger one, and this is the medium. They actually have a third one that is smaller. And if you wanted to, you could paint these, spray paint them a solid color. But I think they're just super cute, and I might just set them in somewhere when I finish the living room, hopefully this weekend, so I can show you guys my decor in another video. Something I was very surprised to find, and I think good job Dollar Tree, is this boxed sign. Now it's just says Market Fresh Produce and established 1935. It definitely has the rooster and 2 hens. It's just one of their little boxed signs, and it has the plastics on it still, so it's giving you guys glare. But this as a sign anywhere else, you would think it's gonna be at least $5. So I might use this in my hutch for maybe summer, and I just didn't want to leave it behind. Now I have some floral for you guys. So as part of my last DIY, I used a garland, and it had leaves like this, and I really, really liked it. So I was able to find a bunch of these, and it's just a greenery bouquet. So I picked up one, and then I showed these in my shop with me for Valentine's Day that I did, and I went back and I got the yellow ones. They have these in white and purple and yellow, and it actually has some nice greenery here, and then it just kind of flows, these little stringy looking things. I'm not even going to attempt that name, but maybe one of you guys can let me know down in the comments if you've heard of it. These I thought were very, very good looking, the little geranium bouquets. Now these are in white, and I want to say they had them in another color, but it's escaping me. And I thought you got a lot for $1. And lastly, but not least, I picked up some of, let's try this side for less glare, the yellow tulips. And right now they look a little sad because they were smashed up in my basket. But once you just straighten them out, I think they look really cute. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. And I hope you guys are finding all the treasures that you're looking for at the Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.